everyone, and welcome to Circle Time. Let's check into our schedule real quick. We have our readings, we have our calendar, our weather, our math, and then our story. Our story's a bit long, but I think it's a really good one and fitting for right now. So let's start with our greetings. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're glad you came today. Hi, everyone. Let's look at the mood meter. How are you feeling today? Let's see what zones we might be in. We in the high energy, uncomfortable space, which is nervous or confused or annoyed or angry. Are we in this high energy but comfortable space where it's happy and surprised or silly? Are we in this comfortable but low energy space right down here where it's relaxed or calm? Are we in this uncomfortable and low energy space where we might be feeling hurt or sleepy, sad, or sick? Check in with yourself. I'll wait. I'm over here in this green space. I'm feeling pretty calm today. It's okay wherever you're at, and it can change through the day. So, let's look at our schedule. We've done our greetings, and we're moving on to our calendar. So, let's look up here on the calendar. It is still April. Yesterday was Monday, so today is Tuesday. And it was the 13th, so we're moving over to the 14th. So we're going to put our arrow right here on the 14th. And we will write that on our notes right here. So we'll write Tuesday, Tuesday, and the month is April, so we'll write April, A-P-R-I-L, and then our date is the 14th, so we'll write a 1 and a 4, and then our comma, and what year it is, which is 2020. Great work, everyone. So our calendar is all done. We're going to move on to our weather. So you're going to look out your window and see what you can see. Here in North Bend, Washington, we are sunny, and it is going to be a very warm day. It's going to be 64 degrees, so it's going to feel warm. We'll be able to wear maybe a t-shirt today. So let's look. Right here we'll write the word sunny, S-U-N-N-Y. We'll write 64 and a little 0 for the degree sign, and I'm going to write the word warm, W-A-R-M. Great work, everyone. And that means our weather is all done. We're going to move on to our math. And today for math, we're going to do what we did yesterday with the big dice, because that was something that someone requested that we do it again. So we'll just do that for the week. Here's our big dice in the treasure box. Rolling it. Let's count that out. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will put the number 4 right here. And then I'll roll the next one. That's the number 1. So I will put that right here. And we'll add the 2 numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great work, everyone. Let's write our number 5 here. So it's a line, a belly, and a hat. Great work. Let's roll the first dice. we have the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll write the number 5 right here. Line, belly, hat. Roll the next one. Count it out. 1, 2. We'll write that right here. Count how many do we have in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll write the number 7 right here. I'm going to roll again. Let's see how many that is. 1. I'll write the number 1 right there. Roll the dice again. Count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll write the number 6 right here. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will write our number 7 right here. We got a 7 in 2 different ways. Let's say this problem. 1 plus 6 equals 7. And then 5 plus 2 equals 7. Both of these equal 7. Great work. Let's roll again. What number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll write our number 4 right here. Roll this one. What number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll write our 5 right here. Let's count them out together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll write our number 9 right here. Let's say all the problems now. We'll start from the bottom and work to the top. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Great work, everyone. Put our stuff away. Check our schedule. Our math is all done. So we're now going to move on to our story. We have our title already written out, The Grouchy Ladybug, and we have our author, the person who wrote it, written out, Eric Carle. So let's see, what might this story be about? We see a ladybug on the front, and he kind of has a frowny face. So he might not be a very happy ladybug. And as I said, this is a long story. So this is where our token boards will really help us of checking in for our bodies, flat feet, flat bottom, calm, safe body, and a quiet mouth. Here we go. It was night, and some fireflies danced around the moon. At 5 o'clock in the morning, the sun came up. A friendly ladybug flew in from the left. It saw a leaf with many aphids on it and decided to have them for breakfast. But just then, a grouchy ladybug flew in from the right. It too saw the aphids and wanted them for breakfast. "Good morning," said the friendly ladybug. "Go away," shouted the grouchy ladybug. "I want these aphids." "We can share them," suggested the friendly ladybug. "No, they're mine, all mine," screamed the grouchy ladybug. "Or do you want to fight me for them?" "If you insist," answered the friendly ladybug sweetly. It looked the other bug straight in the eye. The grouchy ladybug stepped back. It looked less sure of itself. "Oh, you're not big enough for me to fight," it said. "Then why don't you pick on someone bigger. I'll do that, screeched the grouchy ladybug. I'll show you. It puffed itself up and flew off. Okay, really tiny, right there. At 6 o'clock, it met a yellow jacket. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug. Wanna fight? If you insist, said the yellow jacket, showing its stinger. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. Oh, turn the page. Very tiny pages. At 7 o'clock, it met a stag beetle. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug. Wanna fight? If you insist, said the stag beetle, opening its jaws. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. At 8 o'clock, it came across a praying mantis. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug. Wanna fight? If you insist, said the praying mantis, reaching out with its long front legs. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. At 9 o'clock, it almost flew into a sparrow. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug. Wanna fight? If you insist, said the sparrow, opening its sharp beak. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. At 10 o'clock, it saw a lobster. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug. Wanna fight? If you insist, said the lobster, stretching its claws. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. Here's his claws. Tiny little ladybug right there. At 11, it bumped into a skunk. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug. Wanna fight? If you insist, said the skunk, starting to lift its tail. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. Notice the pages are getting bigger as the animals get bigger. At 12 noon, it spotted a boa constrictor. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug. Want to fight? If you insist, said the snake, right after lunch. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. At 1 o'clock, it happened upon a hyena. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug. Wanna fight? If you insist, said the hyena, laughing eerily, and showed its teeth. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. At 2 o'clock, it met a gorilla. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug. Wanna fight? If you insist, said the gorilla, beating his chest. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. At 3 o'clock, it ran into a rhinoceros. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug. Wanna fight? If you insist, said the rhinoceros, lowering its horn. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. See how teeny tiny that ladybug is compared to that rhino? At 4 o'clock, it encountered an elephant. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug. Wanna fight? If you insist, said the elephant, raising its trunk and showing its big tusks. Oh, you're not big enough, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. The elephant's not big enough. My goodness. At 5 o'clock, it met a whale. Hey, you, said the grouchy ladybug. Wanna fight? But the whale didn't answer at all. You're not big enough. enough anyway, said the grouchy ladybug, and flew off. At 5:15, the grouchy ladybug said to one of the whale's flippers, "Hey, you want to fight?" But it got no answer, so it flew on. At 5:30, the grouchy ladybug said to the whale's fin, "Hey, you want to fight?" But it got no answer, so it flew on. At 5:45, the grouchy ladybug said to the whale's tail, "Hey, you want to fight?" And the whale's tail gave the grouchy ladybug such a slap that it flew across the sea and across the land. At 6 o'clock, the grouchy ladybug arrived right back where it had started from. "Ah, here you are again," said the friendly ladybug. "You must be hungry. There are still some aphids left. You can have them for dinner." "Oh, thank you," said the wet, tired, and hungry ladybug. Here he is saying thank you, and she says, "You're welcome." Soon all the aphids were gone. "Thank you," said the leaf. "You are welcome," answered both ladybugs, and they went to sleep. The fireflies, who had been sleeping all day, came out to dance around the moon. So there's our story. We're going to write our rainbow sentence about that story. The story is about a ladybug. She is a grouchy ladybug, but we're going to actually do something a little different with that descriptive word, because grouchy can also be her actions, which were her actions in this story. So it adds to our verb today. So we're going to say something about the way she looks. We're going to say the color of her today. So we're going to, or him, whichever he was today. We're going to say we know that we're talking about a ladybug. So we're going to write our ladybug here under our yellow nouns. Ladybug. And we're going to say red because that's the color of this bug. Red. It's not all ladybugs actually are red, is what I understand. And we're going to use the red ladybug. And what did she do all day? She kept flying all day long. So we're going to write flew. And remember I said that we wanted to use that descriptive word in how she flew today. So we're going to use our adverb as grouchedly. So there's our G-R-O-U C-H-I-L-Y. So by changing that Y to an I and then adding the L-Y, we've now changed it into our adverb. Okay, and it was an all-day event. So in our preposition, we'll just write all day. And it's a statement, so we're going to put our period there. We have a wonderful descriptive sentence about our story. I picked this story and yesterday's story. Both of them were about sharing. Right now, we are home a lot with family, and we are working on sharing things that we not necessarily want to share. So I wanted to have those stories be about sharing and how sharing can actually make a much more enjoyable experience. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.